You start off at maybe a 3, but then you go up for 2 minutes at a 5 or a 6. So you take that intensity up, and then you drop it down for the next minute. High-intensity interval training is really the quickest way to do these tiny bursts of exercises that will break down stored fat so you can use it as energy. And that's the key here, because when you increase that adrenaline, you slow down digestion, which is really important for weight loss, but more importantly, you're breaking down the stored fat, which is just stored calories. And if you can do that by going through this high-intensity interval training routine, what happens is that you target that hard-to-reach body fat that really doesn't allow us to feel our best and feel vibrant. And if you can focus in on HIIT, you're going to see results immediately. I would do a minimum of, up to 30 minutes 3 times a week. An example of a high interval intensity training type of plan is simple. It's walking for 1 minute, a nice brisk walk, but then increasing it to a light jog where you really push the envelope. We're on a scale of, say, 0 to 10. You start off at maybe a 3, but then you go up for 2 minutes at a 5 or a 6. So you take that intensity up, and then you drop it down for the next minute. There's many types of intervals you can do. Some people prefer 1 minute of a low intensity and 2 minutes of a high. So you can pick that, but make sure that the high is greater than the low, and more importantly, that you really break a sweat. And going from high to low is what HIIT is all about, and it's what targets and breaks down that stored fat that's on your body and allows you to mobilize it so you can use it as energy.